Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels in all the time frame analysis. Before going forward with the analysis, we'll check the DXY, the dollar index, what is the status, what is the trend in DXY. Then we'll look at the Monday's economic calendar. Then we'll start with the analysis. I'm in hourly time frame in DXY, and when we look at the price action in DXY, you can notice that it was in a very nice downtrend, and it has taken support on this green level, which is around 95.200. And also you can notice that there is a black line. This is a trend line from the previous price action, and currently it has taken support on this trend line. So it has taken support on the previous support level and also on the trend line. So when we look at the overall price action, it is still in a bullish trend. Although it was trading on a bearish trend, it had only retraced to this support level or the trend level. So currently the price has bounced back and taken resistance at the resistance level of 95.67. So if the bullish trend continues, the next level of resistance is going to be around 96.25, and if the price action manages to break this trend line or the support line, next level of support is going to be around 94.66. Let us look at the economic calendar. So Monday will be 7th February. In Australian dollar, we have the medium impact newses coming at 3 o'clock in the early morning. Then when we come down, again at 6 o'clock in the morning, we have a medium impact newses. And for Swiss francs also, we have a medium impact newses. So we have medium impact newses for Swiss francs, Euro and British Pound coming around 12 to 12:30. As we come down again, at 9:15 we have medium impact news for Euro. And we don't have any big newses for US dollar. Let us start with the analysis. So I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we already know that the price action was in a very nice bullish trend and took resistance at the level of 1.42 and formed a double top pattern, which means it retested the previous high also, and it couldn't break this previous high, and the price action currently is in a very nice bearish trend. So when we analyze the retracement level, it still haven't retraced to the 100% level where it started its bullish trend. So from this we understand that still there are more space for the price action to retrace in these currency pairs. And when we closely analyze the current price action, this area between 1.33 and 1.31 is presently acting as a very strong support. Only when the price action breaches this support area, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. And during the downtrend also, it is trading within a bearish channel pattern. You can notice that the price action is making a double top pattern, then slowly is in a bearish trend. Here also you can notice that the price action formed a double bottom, which means a trend reversal on the bullish side. Then it started its bullish trend and tested the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern and retraced and took support on the midline of the bearish channel pattern. Last week also I had analyzed that the price action will have a trend reversal. As informed, the price action took a trend reversal on the bullish side, took resistance on the resistance line of the channel pattern, and currently the price action is in a bearish trend or retracement. And we already know that this area is acting as a very strong support in daily time frame. So it has to breach this support area to actually continue its downtrend further. If it doesn't manage to break this support area, we can expect the sideways market to continue in these currency pairs. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. We already know that there is a strong resistance line from the bearish channel pattern daily time frame, and I have drawn a trend line over here. So price action was in a very nice downtrend and gave a breakout from this trend line. It formed a very nice double bottom pattern and started its trend reversal on the bullish side, took resistance on the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. Currently the price action is in a very nice retracement or on a bearish trend. We can expect the downtrend to continue and take support on the midline and also the support area from the higher time frame. So from this price action we understand that the current price action is in a retracement or in a bearish trend and trading within this support and resistance levels. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, and currently the price action is in a very nice downtrend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here it is very clear that the price action was in a very nice bullish trend and it broke the support line or the trend line at this level of 1.35 and it has given a very nice bearish trend reversal. And from the economic calendar we understand that there is not big high impacting news for US dollar, so we can expect the downtrend to continue without any issue on Monday. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within the green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend and gave a double top pattern, then a trend reversal has happened and it is in a very nice bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. So I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, so as explained in the 30 minutes time frame, the current price action is in a retracement or in a downtrend. It is always testing this resistance line or the trend line and continuing its bearish trend. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Even if the price action breaches this trend line, we can expect the price action to take resistance on the previous high or the low, then a trend reversal to happen. Because from the higher time frame we understand that the price action is in a bearish trend retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. The values marked in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and currently the price action has breached this strong support level which was around 1.35 and it is continuously going on a bearish trend. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support and share this video with your friends.